Okay, our pumpkin soup is ready. So now we are going to blend it to pass through blender. So after blending your soup, then I have to bring back to boil. So you check consistency, then you add fresh cream. You check the seasoning. Then I'll add the salt and white pepper. You correct the seasoning. Now the soup is well seasoned. So remember to take note when you are correcting seasoning of soup. So for cream soups or soup goes with the cream inside, you have to put cream at the last minute. Otherwise, if you put cream before, the more it's exposed to the heat, the more it tries to separate fat, water, and milk. So it's better you just put cream for the last minute. And of course, you correct seasoning as well. So if you see the soup is now ready well for the guests to start enjoying your soup, then you serve it. Cream of pumpkin soup is ready for service. So now I'm going to start serving it for the guest. So I just use a soup plate and just one layer though, it's enough. Then I can top it with a bit of fresh cream, or I can garnish with the herbs or croutons. This is enough. So now my soup is ready for service. So let's see the next soup. Cream of mushroom, it's ready. So we are going to blend our mushroom soup. So we are going to blend it. Some of chefs like their mushroom to be seen in their soups, or they like to have that crunchiness of mushroom inside of soup, but it's not necessary. You can have the puree of mushroom for your soup. So you can blend. So you can blend all mushroom and the vegetables together. So after blending my mushroom soup, so then I bring back to boil and correct the seasoning. So I just put white pepper and salt. The seasoning is amazing. Then I add fresh cream. So if your vegetable soup it's added by fresh cream, then we call the name. We have to include that fresh cream as a name. So for example, if my soup is mushroom soup, then I add the fresh cream. Now it's a cream of mushroom. So if my soup it's a tomato soup, then I add the fresh cream. Now it's a cream of tomato soup. So if you don't add fresh cream for your vegetable soups, now you can call your vegetable soups puree, either puree of mushroom, puree of spinach, either puree of carrot, either puree of tomato soup. It's called the name of cream because the cream was added. So the cream into soups are important because it increases the richness of soup. Yet most soups are used as nutritional consciousness, and also it can be used as a lighter meal or a simple meal for some of clients. So you have to test until you get the right taste you wish to have. So my mushroom is ready for service. So I can now test all ingredients, all flavor I wanted. It's already in my mushroom. Like it's taste creamy, it's taste mushroom, it's taste flavor of some of vegetables inside. So now it's ready for service. Okay. So I can garnish with either julienne or vegetables. Okay. Now puree of spinach ready to be blended to make it puree. So after blending, you see very green in color. So I have to season it with the salt and white pepper. Then check for seasoning and the correct seasoning if it's necessary. Then I serve my spinach soup. So preparation of cream of puree of spinach, you have to maintain the color of spinach. So it has to be really green. So it's not like changing the color. So the cooking techniques should be involving the boiling stock for spinach, and of course the meal prep for spinach. Then you add spinach later and you continue boiling it, not giving time for simmering. Now the spinach is ready for service. So you can serve it like puree, or if you want to add cream, then it's a cream of spinach. But now the recipe was puree of spinach, not cream of spinach. That's why we say we just blend it, we season it, we don't add any cream. Now I have already my soups: puree of spinach, cream of mushroom, cream of pumpkin, and clear soup called beef consomme. So thank you for your time for watching me, and let's catch up for the next lesson.